In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Ctrader account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter the right details so your account is ready to use without any confusion. First, head to the official Ctrader website in your browser. You can type the name into your search bar, then choose the official result. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on a secure page by checking for the lock icon in your address bar. You can access Ctrader on the web, and there are desktop and mobile apps as well, but we'll keep it simple and use the web interface here. Once the site loads, sign into your existing Ctrader profile and then select the Start Trading option. This opens the trading interface and connects your profile to the broker area where accounts live. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as usual. After you're in, give the page a second to load all the panels so the next options appear. Now choose Fusion Markets as your broker. You'll typically see a broker selection area or a search field where you can type Fusion Markets and select it from the list. If you see multiple server options, pick the one that matches your region or the one recommended by your broker. This ensures your account connects to the right environment from the start. With Fusion Markets selected, look to the top right corner of the interface and click New Account. This button is your shortcut to creating a fresh Ctrader account under the broker you've just chosen. If you don't see it immediately, resize your browser window or expand the panel. It's often positioned near profile or account controls. You'll now be prompted to enter the required information. Carefully fill in what Ctrader asks for, such as your preferred account configuration. Typical fields may include account name or label, base currency, and leverage. Choose settings that match your trading plan and risk tolerance, and double-check everything for accuracy before proceeding. Avoid entering any sensitive information beyond what's requested on the form, and make sure your selections align with the products you intend to trade. When everything looks correct, click Create Account. Ctrader will set it up and display it in your Accounts panel within the Fusion Markets section. That's it. Your new Ctrader account is now added and ready to connect within the platform. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to create additional accounts with different configurations. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each screen so your setup is clean and correct from the start.